Hi guys, welcome once again to an amazing episode on my channel. My name is Kenny. If you are new here, you're absolutely welcome. Please join the family by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. And watch this video to the end. Like, watch it. YouTube gave me a feedback that you guys just watch and you don't watch to the end. Please guys, watch to the end because you cannot understand what I'm explaining if you're not watching to the end. Anyways, in my last video I explained, or I told us rather, that I was going to be doing one more episode of anything cloves. So this is the episode, this is the final episode for this clove whatever thing, and today we are mixing clove with ginger. What a nice combination, right? So I'm going to explain why you need ginger in your hair, because I think we all know and we're all familiar with cloves already. If you have not seen my previous video, you have to go and start from the beginning for you to get here. This is the fourth clove combination we are doing, so just go and start from the beginning. All the videos are on my channel, right? Okay, so ginger helps to improve the circulation of your scalp. It also helps to stimulate your hair follicles. Ginger helps to promote natural hair growth, and ginger has a lot of vitamins, minerals, and fatty acid. Ginger also contributes to strengthening your hair strands and also combat hair loss. So if you are having any issue with hair loss, if you're having issues with dandruff, itchy scalp, ginger is your remedy. Ginger is not just for the scalp alone, you can also use it to your hair, so it works for both scalp and hair. So let's get right into the making of this mixture. So what I did basically was just to remove the back of the ginger and then blend it with my clove. I've told you guys in my previous videos of the numerous benefits clove have. I'm still going to pin it down in my description box down below, so keep on reading it so you see the need why you need to use this on your hair. So this is the blended ginger and clove. So I'm going to be straining it out with my stocking. So guys, if you have a blender that can smoothen it even more, it works perfect. So but if you have a blender like mine that is not too strong, it still works perfect too. So I'm using this stocking to just extract the water from the shaft, but then I left it for about I think up to 30 minutes before I strained it out. So that's basically all I did. I just strained out the water, and that was it. I'm going to show you guys in a more bigger place so that you guys will see how it looks. This is how it looks. It's very beautiful. It smells more of ginger. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. I poured it into this bottle so that I can be able to store it. Let me know what you feel about this treatment. Let me know also if you have tried any of my recipe in the comment section, and let's eat off. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.